In this video we will see how to use grill mode. To select grill mode, touch cook mode button for 2 times. Touching cook mode button for the first time will indicate the symbol of micro mode. After touching cook mode button for the second time, display will indicate the symbol of grill mode along with the mode name. To start grill mode, first, you have to set the timer as per your requirement. Rotate the knob to set and adjust the time. You can set the timer in seconds or minutes. Select time as per your recipe or desired food. After selecting the time, open the appliance door. Now, place the lower rack or higher rack as per your cooking requirement. Then put the food on the rack and close the appliance door. Then, touch start button to begin your cooking in grill mode. In some selected models we can use rotisserie also. Uses of grill mode: 1. Roasting. 2. Browning. 3. Toasting.